Hello, my name is Chu Cheng War, and today my group is going to present about the Higher Learning Institute building inspection. For this semester course has audit and inspection for the group 2 presentation. So this my group member, which is Lauren Karis Anak Landing, myself, Chu Cheng War, and Muhammad Amirul Adli bin Muhammad Amin and Lee Jing Xian.
Hello, my name is Roland Keris, and today we from Group 2 would like to present our audit report regarding the task that was given to us, which is to inspect a selective block from UTH and Pago. Okay, the purpose of this audit is to assess the condition and functionality of Block A, UTHM Pago campus. Our focus are structural integrity, safety, and also sustainability for academic use. The importance of this audit is that to ensure the building supports teaching, learning, and administrative activities. Our scopes covers architectural, mechanical, electrical, and also environmental aspects. The alignment are based on UTSM facility management and also national maintenance guidelines. Next, I would like to talk about what is the building background and also its functional use. Our location for this audit is located at Block A, UTSM Pago campus, which is part of Malaysia Education Hub Pago. The function of this building, it hosts faculty office, lecture halls, tutorial rooms, and also admin units. The user of this building primarily used by Faculty of Engineering Technology and also other departments. The design are modern layout with emphasis on accessibility and energy efficiency. The role of this building serve as a central to academic delivery and also campus operation.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amir Adli, and today I will present about our methodology. So our methodology consists of four things. First is visual site survey, data collection tools, assessment metric system, and analytical procedure. So first about the visual site survey, we conducted a walkthrough inspection floor by floor from level 1 to 5 of block A at the left wing. Second, we observed the physical issue such as crack in wall or ceiling, mold growth, missing bulbs, tiles, vent, and electrical faults. Each defect was photographed and described on site with suspected cause. So next is about our data collection tools. We standardize the defect sheet template used for uniform documentation. We capture details like location, defect type, cause, and suggested remedies. We also included a 3-part matrix rating, which is condition, priority, and classification score. Next is about assessment matrix system that we use. We use condition scale, consists of 1 to 5, from new to dilapidated. Next is our priority scale, 1 to 4, from cosmetic to emergency. And lastly is our classification score. Total score group into good, 1 to 4, fair, 5 to 12, or dilapidated, 13 to 20. Last but not least is about our analytical procedure. The defects tabulated by floor and type for pattern identification. It is classification that help us to prioritize urgent versus routine issue. So the most common issue that we got is crack, lighting defect, mold, and missing component. The evaluation based on risk, cost, and visual and functional impact. Also, we guide the development of short and long-term maintenance plan.
Hi, my name is Sean. So I would like to present the part of inspection finding. The first part is we state about structural condition. So block A shows visible sign for aging. Cracks were found on the ceiling, wall, and columns throughout several floors. These are mainly caused by structural movement, such as load shift or possible mid-construction design. While none of the cracks are immediately hazardous, they fall under the fair condition category and should not be ignored. If left unrepaired, they may lead to larger issues over time. To maintain the building's safety and stability, the recommended action is to seal the crack with explosive or flexible paint and repaint the affected surface. It is also important to monitor this area regularly for signs of worsening. Proactive maintenance will help extend the building lifespan and ensure that it remains structurally sound of all users. So the next part will state about architectural element. When it comes to architectural element, the inspection reveals several minor but noticeable issues. These include uneven wall paint, mold growth, wall discoloration, and missing tiles. Uneven and damaged wall paint is often caused by frequent friction from chair, while mold is a result of rainwater exposure, especially on higher floors. Although this may seem cosmetic, they can affect the comfort and health of building users. Repainting, applying anti-mold coating, and replacing missing tiles are recommended to restore the building interior appearance and prevent further damage. These issues are generally fair to pro and highlight the needs of regular upkeep to maintain a pleasant and functional environment for students and staff. So for mechanical and electrical system, they play a big role into a functionality of Block A. During inspection, we found several missing or flickering lights, especially on level 1 to 3. In addition, there's a missing air vent grill on level 2, which can affect the airflow. This problem may seem small, but they reduce comfort and efficiency in daily use. The flickering lights could be caused by loose wiring or old bulbs, while the vent issue may stem from poor inspection or delayed replacement. The suggested solution include replacing bulbs with energy efficient LED, checking electrical connection using a multimeter, and reinstalling the missing air grill. Addressing this issue will ensure better lighting, ventilation, and more efficient building environment. So for safety and accessibility part, it's play especially in occupational building where no critical danger were identified in Block A. There are some indirect safety concerns, which is the lack of lighting in certain areas due to missing or flickering bulb pose a risk, particularly during the evening. Moth growth and some wall may also affect individuals with respiratory sensitivities. Additionally, wall damage or missing finish could make the environment uncomfortable for those with mobility challenge. Although these issues are not immediately life-threatening, they still need attention. We recommend fixing all light issues, applying anti-mold paint to affect areas, and ensuring surfaces are kept in good condition. This small action will greatly improve safety and comfort for all building users. And for environmental performance, Block A is moderately affected by moisture issue and poor air circulation. The biggest problem is mold on the upper floor, mainly due to water seeping into wall during heavy rain. This can lead to poor indoor air quality and structural damage if not treated. The missing air vent grill on level 2 also reduce ventilation in affected rooms. To improve environmental performance, Anti-moth paint should be applied, and the wall should be resealed to block water entry. Replacing the missing vent and ensuring good airflow are also important. Addressing this issue will enhance the indoor environment, reduce health risks, and maintains energy efficiency in the building. That's all for my part. Thank you.
So for the analysis at utilization block A left wing, has we taken few photos of the evidence that for the defects that happen at the block, which is shown at for the first shown, which is the level 1. Firstly is about the crack and missing light bulb at the first floor, and for the second floor, plaster crack, wall cracking, uneven paint, missing air vent grill, flickering light for the level 2, and for the level 3, first is about the column crack and missing light bulb. Furthermore, for the fourth floor, firstly is about the different color at the wall, and wall cracking has same as the previous evidence, and thirdly is about the move growth that we have covered, and for the fourth is about the missing tiles at beside the wall of the door, and for the fifth floor same, which is the move growth and the usual part, which is wall cracking. For the discussion, the inspection of utilization block A left wing identified various building defects which were rated using a condition priority and classification skills. Minor paint issues at level 2 third and level 4 at first were considered in good condition. Wall and ceiling crack at location like level 1 first and level 2 first were rated fair, and move growth appeal at level 4 second and level 5 1, while missing air vent and tile were found at level 2-4 and level 4-4. The most serious defect like flickering or missing light at level 2 fifth and level 3 second were classified as dilapidated. This scoring system helped in planning maintenance, improving safety, and preserving the building condition.
So last but not least is our conclusion and recommendation. The audit that we conducted revealed a variety of defects, wall cracks, mold growth, light bulb issue, and paint wear. Level 2, 4, and 5 mostly rated in a fair condition. Lighting system were in dilapidated condition, requiring urgent attention. And some minor issues were in a good condition, management via routine maintenance, and immediate rectification of electrical and ventilation faults to reduce the safety risk. The routine repainting and anti-mold treatment for hygiene and aesthetic. And last but not least is our group recommend to implement a consistent maintenance schedule based on our matrix scoring. That's all from our group. Thank you.